I'm Jack Collins, and we are on our way to go see some real live water moccasins. A very poisonous and semi-deadly snake. I'm your host, Jack Collins. We're here at the pond. Live coverage of the water moccasins. Sean and Eddie are safely fishing. The horses are safely running. But I, Jack, am here to bring you coverage of the water moccasin snake. It looks like a quiet pond, but that's not what we here at Jack Studios have found out. Ripples, a dead bass. Could it have been killed by a water moccasin? Or perhaps a snake? Wait, a water moccasin is a snake. The geese and their newborn chicklings do not stand a chance. Sorry. Jesus. There's one. Big one right here! Jesus Christ! Oh my God! What you gonna do? Never got things! Jesus!
Oh my God!
I've got this! Feathers for flies! My God, they're gonna kill each other!
Oh, pick it up!
Jeez!
Well, we know that.
Let's get the feathers! Let's get the... Sean, come on! Let's get the feathers!
Oh, she got her babies back. At first, he took her babies.
And that's how amazing ducks fight.
That concludes our day at the pond. Next week, we will show...
Sean, don't forget the pond.
Yes, Sean jumping in the pond. Ah ha 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 ha. The end.